So we're at the morning meeting area for A.O.C commercials. And Padraig, tell us, what are all these really cool boards you've got?
So here we still have the physical board. So we like to keep the physical board because you can see it. So we have our absences for today. So we have our date, absences planned, unplanned, planned for tomorrow. Again, we have a lot of people moving around here. It's handy to know who's in, who's out in terms of scheduling work. Then we're really conscious of safety. There's a lot of moving parts around here, a lot of moving vehicles, big machinery. So safety should be at the top of our priority.
It's 172 days since your last absence caused by safety.
And we started to count it, and I realised that they were shorter than I thought. So until you start to count it, and then when we put a real focus on it, we've started to really get some good numbers, and people are really conscious of safety. So that's why it's one of the top two things on the board.
Superb.
Then we have a very simple checklist of tasks that need to be done. So again, our call-out duty, we do 24/7 call-out. Who's on that? It's not really for the person who's on it, more for the rest of the team, you know what I mean? So everybody else knows,
so it's really
David.
all about communication.
Yes, exactly.
And this is just a daily checklist you do every morning meeting?
Every morning meeting, yeah. So that we know who's doing what. Again, a bit of ownership over the task.
And then this is your daily waste, which you're using for your education?
Exactly, yeah. So we pick a waste. We kind of mix this up. Sometimes we'll go through a few weeks of where we'll pick a waste and we'll speak about a waste, different waste every day. And the person hosting the meeting can do that. So they pick whatever waste they like. And then we might change it a little bit, and where people just bring in their own kind of, I saw this idea and present it like that, you know what I mean? So it's always some bit of learning when it comes to this part.
Superb. So there's education every day.
Every day, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
This board blew my mind. So up there, we're going there first.
Yes.
So these are your completed improvement cards?
Yes. And these are the ones that are in progress.
And
now,
since when? At 382?
Well, since we started, really, we've been keeping account of them. Now, that's the ones, to be fair, that we've counted. There are so many more ideas that guys have done and improved.
That aren't there. I know.
Yeah, exactly. They're kind of the hidden improvements, but we do like to keep account of them because, it means we are making progress. And you can see our washing line of improvement cards here.
So there's your completed up there, and each one, that's the Seating Matters format, isn't it?
Yes, it is indeed. Yes.
So you've got your suggested improvement, on the date it was registered, who did it, who it's assigned to, and when it's complete.
Exactly, yeah.
Then you get this week, and then you've got...
This is for our IT department.
What's in progress?
So if it's due to digital improvements or some sort of automation, that'll get assigned to them.
And these are waiting to get done.
Waiting to get started, yeah.
Beautiful. No, it's pretty active.
Yes. I was going to say, we've ran out of space a couple of times. There's a few double ups and things like that, which is a good problem to have, though.
Beautiful.
So it's an excellent problem to have. So we're really happy with that.
All right. Then, so that's all the names of all your people. So that's all there.
So we can assign them to our little board over there.
We're going to skip that. That's more about scheduling your daily work, isn't it?
Spot on, yeah.
Here's your lean library.
Yeah.
And I brought the lads a few more books down. So they'll be leaving with a present from me.
Great.
Should we just skip through quickly the morning meeting format? Because I really thought it was cool.
So we have the absences. So again, it appears on the screen. We have 40 people in the company, so we don't all fit around the board. So we have the screen as well to help that out. So we go through similar stuff that's on the board. So the safety, the absences.
Then
some things are,
One thing I really liked here is you have a daily safety walkthrough.
Yes, correct.
And that's because it's such a priority here.
Yep.
Can you skip back a slide?
Sorry, yeah.
So you've got that scheduled, so there's different areas are getting different priorities in terms of the daily walkthrough. And then when they find stuff, you're recording it.
We record it here, and we bring it to the meeting. Again, it's not for, you were unsafe today. It's awareness. It's really, you just want to make people aware, because if you're working in the office but you have to go to the workshop for something, you may not be aware that this is a safety concern, so now you are, you know what I mean? So again, it's just to focus on really making people aware in the morning, first thing in the morning. Safety is a priority, so. Then we move it on, and after the safety walk, again, that's the weekly checklist like we had here.
Over there physically.
We have our 3S rota as well. We just remember to check that when you leave the meeting, so that you know what you're doing for today, what your responsibility is for today. And then it's the education part, and as I said, in this piece, sometimes people will have videos, sometimes people will have pictures, some sort of learning in this piece. And again, it varies from person to person. We're kind of very... People can bring their own interpretation on it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Which again, I really love.
Yeah.
That's like bring their own, express their personality in the morning meeting.
Exactly. Some people will do grateful, some people won't, some people will do quizzes.
Loving that.
Yes.
So that's what your improvement cards are that you've completed that day. I love the lots of Kanbans.
Yeah, loads of
Always
them.
like the plug.
Yeah.
So this is really, really cool.
So yeah, we just show them again. You might not work in this department, so you might not know. Oh, what have we done? That's our packaging department. You know what I mean? So again, it gives people ideas. It's the showing it as I said, an improvement isn't complete until it's shared, and that's shared there, and that's kind of basically it. Unless again you want to add something in, like a grateful, or some people add quizzes, bringing their own bit of a spin on it. You know? So yeah.